How to make OpenClaw 10 times better in one click. OpenClaw is already one of the most powerful AI tools on the planet. But if you just installed it and started using it right away, you're using about 5% of what it can actually do, and you're missing out massively. And I did the exact same thing when I first set it up. I thought I was getting the full experience. I wasn't even close. Today, we are fixing that together. There are 3 things you can add to OpenClaw right now that completely transform it. And I'm not talking about complicated technical stuff. I'm talking about install so simple that by the end of this video, your OpenClaw is going to feel like a completely different tool. Here's what we're adding. So first, we can use something called Mission Control. That lets you run multiple AI agents at the same time, like a whole team of employees, each doing different jobs, all reporting back to you when they're done. Second, over 1,700 pre-built skills that teach OpenClaw how to do brand new things it couldn't do before. And then finally, we have a single install that connects OpenClaw to 50 different AI tools and helps you generate images and videos using OpenClaw directly. No complicated setup, no technical knowledge required. Right now, your OpenClaw can become 10 times more powerful using these 3 installs. Now, if you want to install them all at the same time, all you would do is just paste in the links from each of these, as you can see. So, for example, you can pick whichever skill you want to use from this list of OpenClaw skills, which we'll come on to in a minute. You can quickly install Skill Boss, and finally, you can add Mission Control. So we'll come on to that in a second. One thing I want to say before we get straight into this is you always want to make sure that you check the skills MD file yourself. Run it through Claude, ask it just to check for security and that sort of thing. You always want to be careful when you're installing any external skills to OpenClaw. So I just want to make that very clear before we jump into this. Check this stuff yourself before you install it, okay? So we're going to get straight into this. How do we get, for example, Skill Boss connected to this, and why would we get Skill Boss connected to this? Well, the Skill Boss connects it to 100 different models and services. So you can basically connect, for example, OpenClaw to a bunch of new LLMs. You can generate videos and images, audio and voice. You can create podcasts. You can also, for example, host websites. You can send emails. You can do content workflows. You even get access to all Hugging Face models, right? Which is pretty amazing. And this is a single install. It does cost about $15 to install, but it's pretty powerful stuff. So how do you do this and what do you get? So you can see all the different models you get right here. And then if you want to set this up, basically, here's how it works. So you would just download the Skill Boss zip, as you can see. So we'll download that. Then we're going to go over to OpenClaw. Again, this is just a one-click install. So you grab the zip file, or you can just install it locally, and you would just go directly inside here, select which setup you want to use. So we're going to select OpenClaw. You can install this on Claw Code and Claw Cowork and everything else, right? But we're going to copy this right here. Then we're going to go back over to OpenClaw and we can just paste in this, right? And it's just a one-click install like that. That just empowers OpenClaw with much better skills so that it can generate images, videos, it can host websites, it can code better, it gets all the skills, etc. Right? And it's beginning to install like so. Now, whilst we're waiting for that to done, let's see what we've got inside the comments. So Big Dro says, just subscribe to the boardroom. Looking forward to the experience in your knowledge. Your time and experience is greatly appreciated. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that too. And thanks for joining the AI Profit Boardroom. If you're watching this and you haven't, check it out. Link in the comments description, or go to the AIProfitBoardroom.com. InWorld says, can I set up OpenClaw locally on my personal laptop? Is it safe? If you're worried about that sort of stuff, what I would recommend instead is that you go inside the AI Profit Boardroom and you check out the section on Molt Worker, right? So if you're worried about this stuff, go to the section on Molt Worker. You can see it right here. We have a full video tutorial on how to set this up. This is a siloed version of OpenClaw that runs on Cloudflare. Cloudflare is responsible for protecting half the internet. And basically what this means is, like, number one, your OpenClaw is siloed away. Number two, nobody can use it unless you approve their login. And number three, they have to get an email verification code to actually access it. So that's a much better way of getting this set up. So you can see this is beginning to run now. Diggy says, been watching all your OpenClaw videos. Honestly, real value in them. Keep them up. Happy to help. Thank you so much for watching. We got a good question here, which is, what about MaxClaw? Is it good? Yeah, I really like MaxClaw. So if we go to MaxClaw here, the thing that I would say here is, like, you don't even need to install anything with MaxClaw. So, for example, all this stuff that you have to install as a skill directly into OpenClaw to make it better, is not required with something like MaxClaw because you get the power of the agent directly inside the chat, right? So for example, if I go inside the chat here and I go to MaxClaw on the left-hand side, right? And I'm like, right, okay, generate, or if I go to Telegram, I'll just show you directly inside Telegram. So this is MaxClaw bot. As you can see, I can control it inside Telegram, and it's just ready to go at all times, right? It's running in the cloud. I don't need the local setup to get this running, and it's already very powerful without having to install any skills. It can already create images, it can create videos, it can schedule tasks super quickly and easily, and yeah. I would say in many ways, MaxClaw is better if you're non-technical, right? If you don't want to mess around with this stuff. So if we go back to OpenClaw now, we've got Skillbox installed, like you can see, which is perfect. Basically, we can now start using this to generate images. So I can say, okay, generate an image of a dragon, and it will use Skillbox to generate that, right? So that just connects you to all of the best tools directly using skill boss, right? And you can always, for example, disable it as well if you want to, if you need to. But yeah, it helps. Now you can see it's beginning to generate the image, and we've got the image ready to go here, right? So we just generated this image right here using OpenClaw. We can generate videos, we can generate podcasts whenever we want to, and we're ready to go. So it just makes it like way more powerful in one single click. So that's the first method. The next method is using OpenClaw Awesome Skills. So let me show you how to do that. So this is OpenClaw Awesome Skills. And basically what this is like a catalog of 2,800 community built OpenClaw skills, right? So when you're using this, for example, you can check out all the different styles of skills right here, and then you can pick whichever one is the most relevant to you. You wouldn't install all of them, but you're just going to look through the list and be like, okay, this is the most relevant for me, right? So for example, here, if we scroll back up the list, for me, I do a lot of marketing for my business, so I can scroll to the marketing section here and just get any of these skills and install them. So if I, for example, go to the meta ads creative section, got the skill right here for creating ads creatives. And what I can do is just copy that or grab the URL for the skill MD file. Obviously scan it through Claude, check that it's legit when it comes to the skill. If you're not sure, don't install it. But from there, you can easily get some good skills from the community that actually work and help you. The same for the SEO stuff. There's a lot of good like SEO skills, as you can see right here. So that's basically how you can quickly install any of these. So if we wanted to, for example, install an SEO skill to make this more powerful, all we do is grab this, we go back over to OpenClaw, which we've got over here. And again, you can install it in one click. You just say install this, right? And that's how you install it. Simple as that. So that is method number 3. And then the final method for making this much more powerful is you can set up mission control. Right now, mission control is really powerful because you can essentially have like a Kanban board, like a Trello board, as you can see right here, which allows you to manage all the tasks your agents are working on. And you can have multiple agents or multiple open claws on the left-hand side. Now, why is that useful? It's useful because you've got a lot of tasks going on inside OpenClaw. This allows you to get your agents to organize themselves. You get full transparency over what they're working on. And then also on the right-hand side, you can see once they're done and where they're up to. And again, if you want to just install that in one single click, you can just copy the GitHub information like so, go back over to OpenClaw, grab the URL and just say, install this, right? And again, like you can just get mission control working in like one single click. So just to recap there, you can empower OpenClaw in one click with Skill Boss, or you can use mission control, or you can use the OpenClaw Awesome Skills. All of them make your OpenClaw much more powerful. All of them can be installed in one single click, as you've seen directly today. So that is basically it. Now, if you want to get all the notes from today, you can get that inside the Profit Boardroom. And this is available with all of my best trainings on OpenClaw. We actually have a full 6-hour course on how to use OpenClaw, plus another 3-hour course on it. And these are step-by-step tutorials that you can just take from me. We actually update this daily with all the new updates on OpenClaw. We test out the new tools, for example, like MaxClaw or OpenClaw or some skills. We recently tested, for example, Discord parallel agents, and everything you need to know about OpenClaw is inside this community, along with all of my best trainings on AI automation and a community of 2,500 people that you can connect with who are doing similar things to you. So link in the comments description to that, or go to the AIprofitable.com. You can post questions and share your wins inside the community. You can join our daily accountability group. We have 4 weekly coaching calls where you can jump on these video Zoom meetings, share your screen, meet the community, ask any questions if you get stuck with anything. And then also inside the map here, you can connect with people in your local area, DM them, ask to jump on a Zoom call, meet them in real life, etc. And then finally, inside the classroom, you get all of my best trainings. Now, at this point, if you're wondering, okay, like, are people getting results for this? How's it going for the rest of the community? So you can see inside this document, we have over 130 pages of people winning with AI automation. So these are all testimonials from people we've helped with our school communities. So it is a very empowering community that's designed to just help you scale and learn and grow with AI automation. So if we go back to the classroom here, you can get all of my best trainings, for example, how to go from beginner to expert with AI automation and how to build your first AI agent in under 5 minutes. You'll also learn, for example, all of my best playbooks, for example, on X, newsletters, shorts, how to automate Instagram, AI avatar videos, etc. And then additionally, you'll get my latest updates. So each day we update this community with new guides, video tutorials. For example, today alone, we have added 5 new guides on the latest, newest, and coolest stuff. And this is all inside here as well. If you want to get more clients, you can learn to get them with the agency course. If you want to watch about the coaching calls, you can check them out here. If you want to rank #1 with AI SEO, you can check that out. And also, we have been using OpenClaw a lot for AI SEO, and it's pretty amazing. So for example, you see this website has gone from like 8 clicks a day all the way up to a peak of 780 clicks. Yesterday, I think we got 460 clicks using OpenClaw and the automations inside the AI Profit Board. On top of that, you can learn how to grow a YouTube channel with AI based on what's working for me as well. So feel free to get that all, link in the comments description, or go to the AIprofitable.com. In terms of, and I've seen a question from InWorld in terms of like the best agency services. So I would check out the agency course right here. This guides you through like how to create a good offer, how to get clients, how to generate leads, etc. I would start with this agency course, as you can see.